there's always a story that would make you smile.
Real people, real moments, and good vibes lang. All in one show.
Sa sobrang ganda ng kwento, gusto mo nang ikwento sa iba. Para lahat, masaya.
We share stories that lift hearts.
Yung magbibigay saya, even on tough day.
Kasi lahat tayo deserve maging uplifted!
Uy! Hello mga ka-happy! Nandyan pala kayo. Sakto! May kwento ako tungkol sa mga talentadong estudyante from the South. Sila ang Universidad de Zamboanga Wildcat Percussion. And for the third time, sila ang itinanghal na champions sa 2025 Zamboanga Hermosa Festival Invitational Drum and Lyre Competition. At isipin mo, mula 2023, sila ang may hawak ng title sa nasabing competition. O, di ba mga ka-happy? Kitang-kita naman kung paano nila pinaghandaan ang kanilang winning moves at heart-pounding drum beat. Nag-uwi rin sila ng iba't ibang special award gaya ng Best in Drumline, Best in Color Guards, Best in Mallet, at Best in Musicality. With Yamaha's high-fidelity speakers and state-of-the-art instruments, the Wildcats truly hit the mark at na-showcase ang one-of-a-kind musicality of Mindanao. Another win for the books!
Mga ka-happy! Nag-celebrate ng first-year anniversary ang Northern Alliance Academy of Innovation. At sa loob lang ng isang taon, naging saksi ang TNAAI sa kabi-kabilang training, product demo, business meeting, at creative collaboration. Siyempre, favorite playground din ito ng host ng Uplifted. At abangan nyo rin ang iba pang show na dito gaganapin sa TNAAI. Kaya naman, gusto rin namin ma-experience nyo ang creative haven na ito. Kung gusto nyo i-level up ang production setups nyo, seminars, trainings, photoshoots, podcast, at kung ano pa, just give us a call. Sa new chapter ng TNAAI, we will continue to create, connect, and innovate to bridge the gap between vision and reality.
Yan ang good vibes sa dala ng Uplifted ngayong linggo. Kaya i-like and share nyo na ang episode na to para ikalat ang saya.
Huwag nyo nang papalampasin ang good vibes at i-follow nyo na kami sa Happy TV for more positivities.
We share stories that lift hearts.
Yung magbibigay saya, even on tough day.
Kasi lahat tayo deserve maging uplifted!
Nila, I'm not singing anymore. Kasi nagkaroon ako ng gasgas sa throat. Yung nangyayari ngayon sa life ko, hindi siya madali. Ano ba talagang gusto ko? What's with the new look now? Ang dami na nagtatanong, why did you cut your hair? But really, I want to inspire a lot of people, bata, matanda, na you can do whatever you want. Lord, tumingi ng tulong. Grabe naman! Nabash ako dito, ah! Sabi nila, part na daw ako nung ano. Kulto ba yun? Kulto! Hindi ka masyado makikinig kay mommy natin. Sabay ka nga eh. Mas gusto mo na gusto yung gusto mo. But now I've gotta find my own. You should have listened. Oh! I'm getting emotional. Totoo yung sinasabi mo kanina,